Hello, fabulous artists and friends! Welcome back to my art studio. Today, I've got not one, not two, but three very special guests to introduce you to. Peter, Paul, and Patti Puffin. Aren't they adorable, perched together on their seaside rocks? But wait, there's more! It's time to celebrate Christmas in July with an amazing sale on all our downloadable tutorials at gingercookondemand.com, including this brand new Peter, Paul, and Patti Puffin tutorial and so many more. In this special tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to bring these charming puffins to life using vibrant acrylics. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll discover amazing brush techniques, color blending secrets, and tricks to paint realistic rocks, shimmering ocean backgrounds, and those iconic puffin faces. Just imagine you with a brush in hand following along from the comfort of your own home or wherever your adventures take you. Now here's the best part. All of our tutorials, including Peter, Paul, and Patti Puffin, are fully downloadable. That means no membership required, no strings attached. Simply click, purchase, and this charming puffin adventure is yours to keep forever. Once you've downloaded your tutorial, there's no need for an internet connection. You can paint at your own pace, whether you're at home, at the beach, up in the mountains, or traveling the world. Vacation plans? Take your paints and tutorials with you. Pausing by the lake or camping in the woods, your lessons are always right at your fingertips. This is a limited time Christmas in July savings. But don't wait, this Christmas in July sale is happening right now and ends July 31st, 2025. This is the only time of year when you can grab these tutorials at such fantastic prices. It's the perfect opportunity to stock up, gift a friend, or start your own painting adventures. What you'll love: convenience and lifetime access. Here's what you'll love about our tutorials: instant access, download and start painting in minutes, no recurring fees or hidden costs, paint anywhere, anytime, with no internet needed after download. Keep the videos for life, revisit lessons whenever you need a creative boost or want to try that new technique again that Ginger mentioned. So join me this July. Let's make some holiday magic in the middle of summer with Peter, Paul, and Patti Puffin and all your favorite tutorials now on sale. Remember, creativity knows no season, and there's never been a better time to surprise yourself with what you can create. Ready to start painting? Visit gingercookondemand.com, grab your tutorials, and let's create some joyful art together. Merry Christmas in July, everyone, and happy painting. Remember, this sale ends very soon.